Hello students, let's start with the new chapter Management of Resources. Resource is anything which is available to us while doing the activities and they help us in getting our goals. Let's talk about the various types of resources. Human resource, the resource which can be developed through training and self-development. Example, knowledge. A person can use throughout his life his knowledge. Example, knowledge can be used by a teacher in a profession. Skills, the person should carry out activities according to his skills and aptitude. Energy, energy levels vary from person to person according to their physical fitness, mental conditions and personality. Time, the most valuable resource. Management in a specific period is important to attain the goals. Non-human resources. Money, this resource is not equally distributed in the society. It is limited resource and must be spent judiciously. Material resource, space, furniture, clothes, stationery, food items, etc. All the people require them to carry out various activities in their life. Individual resource, this is available to an individual for his personal use. Example, his skill, his knowledge, his time, etc. Common resource or shared resource, available to many members of the community. It can be natural or community based on money, land, air. Natural resource, available in the nature. Example, water, sun, light, air. It is our responsibility to protect them. Artificial, available to a person as a member of community, provided by the government. This may be human or non-human. Example, roads, parks, hospitals. These are also called community resources. Let's talk about the characteristics of resources. First, utility. It means the importance of resource in helping one to achieve the goal. Example, cow dung is considered waste for one person but fuel for another. Accessibility. Certain resources are easily available to one as compared to other. Availability of resource changes over the period of time. Example, amount of money available to the member of family at the beginning of month is different as compared to the end of the month. Interchangeability, almost all the resources have substitute. If school bus does not come, one can take auto. Manageable, since resources are limited, they should be managed properly and effectively for their maximum use. Let's talk about the managing or management of resources. It involves 5 steps. Planning. The first step to visualize the path to reach our goal. This includes identification of the problem, identifying different alternatives, choose best alternative, acting to carry out the plan, accepting the consequences. Organizing. It is the collection and arranging appropriate resource to implement the plan in efficient manner. Implementation, carrying out the prepared plan. Controlling, it is the task which ensures that our activities will provide desired effect or the result. It provides feedback and implemented correctly. Evaluation, in the final stage, outcomes are evaluated. End result of the task is compared with the desired result. All the limitations and the strength of task are noted to achieve goals in future. Dear student, remember, you cannot afford to wait for perfect conditions. Goal setting is often a matter of balancing time against the available resources. Opportunities are easily lost while waiting for a perfect condition. With this note, I'm signing off. Take good care of yourself.